Hello friends, welcome to another question. In our video today, we are going to look at how to use our scientific calculator to solve the Euler's form of complex numbers. And we know that the Euler's form of complex numbers is of the form R, then we have E, which square power theta I. This is the form of Euler's form for complex numbers. So what we do is that we'll go straight to our calculator and we see how we cannot use our scientific calculator for the Euler's form and all that. So what we first do is that we press on mode, then we put our calculator in the complex mode by we pressing on number 2. So after we are done, we know that for Euler's form, the theta must be in the radian, that is pi. So what you do is that you put our calculator in the radian mode also. You can see written on top of your calculator when you are also solving along, but I would like you to please solve along so that you can also know how to do it and all that. You can see that on top where I place the mouse pointer, it's written D. That is what it means. The calculator is in the degree mode, but we want to put it in the radian or something known as the theta must be yours in the radian, that is fits pi and all that. So we are going to put it in the radian mode. So to do that, we press on shift, then mode. Then you can see number 4 written, right? That is for a radian mode. So we press on number 4. That means our calculator has now been put in the radian mode. So we now go straight to our question. So we have what is the Euler's form of 2 plus 3 root of 2i. So we will type our question in. We have 2 plus 3 root of 2 and we cap out, then you have I. So this is the question being given to us. So what we do is that after we've typed the question in the original question, we now press on shift, then press on number 2. Then menu pops up. Number 1 showing for argument, number 2 showing for conjugate. But me are not interested in that. We are both interested in finding the Euler's form. That is what number 3. We are going to use number 3 to find out the Euler's form and all that. So we press on number 3. Then we press equal to. So this is the answer now which we have root 22 for the R. Now note, the R is the first part that you will see when you press the equal to side. That is what for the root 22. Root 22 represent the R. We know the E there is always constant. The E there is always constant. Now the theta here, which I said is in radian mode, has now been placed in radian mode. So here we have 1.13, which will be for the theta. So now we can see that for this question, when you are putting it in the Euler's form, it's got root 22 e 1.13i. Root 22 e raised to the power 1.13i. That's what we will get when we are submitting the Euler's form. So we can see that our calculator can really help us to find the Euler's form. So simple, not that. So let's go to our last question and see how to also do that. So our last question to is that what is the Euler's form of 4 plus 2i over 3 minus root of 7i? So let's type our question pen. So I have 4 plus 2i over 3 minus 3 roots 7i. So we camp out and bring our I. So after we are done, we now would press on shift, then number 2, and press from number 3 and press the code. As I said, the first one represents the R. The 10 over 6 represents the R, and the 1 point, the angle that is the 1.6730 continuous represents a theta, which is in radian mode. So here we can see that the Euler's form for this question. When we are writing it as a final answer, we can write it as root 10 over 6. Then we bring our e, which we know is constant, raised to the power 1.67i. So that is how we use our calculator for the Euler's form and all that. If better still, if no want to write it in this form and want to write it in that mass and all that, we can press the SD. So when you press the SD, now the 10 over 6 now change to a decimal, which is what 0.52 706 46 and all that. So which is leaving it into decimal place, we did what 0.53 e raised to the power 1.67i. So that is how we use the calculator also for the Euler's form of complex numbers and all that. Although soon we come to the end of this video, I would like you to please subscribe to this channel on not tutoring, where they are devoted to building excellence in students. If you have any question, head to the comment section so that be tagging your question. I would like to hear. But also, if you have any topic that you would want us to cover for you, type it in your comment section so that we will cover it for you and more. That's share it to your friends so that they also benefit. This is Anwar Tutoring once again. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next part.